I want to show you a couple options for the Sunny Health and Fitness underdesk bike. This is something that patients will typically get after a knee replacement. This is a heavy duty model. These things are great. They're easy to maneuver, but they're still heavy enough that they're not going to slide around on you. So in the beginning, when you don't have as much range of motion through the knee, you want to set the device as far away from you as possible. And if you notice, to do a full revolution, I don't even come close to 90 degrees of flexion. And when I'm out, I'm still lacking a little bit of extension. If I want to go in reverse, most patients will tell me it's easier to start pedaling a bike in reverse. Then once it loosens up, you can go forward. Notice I took the loops off just because they're so small and because I want my client to be able to move their foot. If I put the ball of my foot on the pedal, you can see I need more knee flexion. When I put the heel on the pedal, I need a little bit of less knee flexion. You can really kind of control what you're capable of doing either by changing your foot position or by moving the bike further away or bringing it closer to you. Here, significantly more knee flexion in order to complete a full revolution. Other little exercises that can be done with a bike like this. So when I'm in the far away position, if I slide my foot so the ball of the foot is on the pedal, I can work on dorsiflexion, which is allowing the ankle to come back toward me. And then as I come around, I'm plantar flexing, so I'm pointing the foot. I flex the ankle, I point the ankle, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. I'm working on ankle motion a little more with this. Other options, if you have one of the less expensive models, one of the lighter weight models, and you find that it's sliding away from you, you can spin it around. So now the bike is against the cabinet. The problem with this is, as you can see, I can't pedal. So with this particular model, what I do is I spin it around so that I'm effectively pedaling it backward. And now I'm able to do it without the bike sliding away from me. Another cool feature, I can place the bike up on the counter. One of the most important things after a knee replacement is getting standing tolerance. If I want to be able to walk further, walking starts with standing. If I can't stand for 5 minutes, I certainly can't walk for 5 minutes. So spending time walking while I'm exercising my arms, my shoulders, building endurance through the core, it's a great way to improve your ability to walk. Setting the pedal bike up on the counter to do arm exercises is a great way to build endurance through the lower body.